One musical tradition that makes New Orleans jazz so special is the practice of improvisation. This means musicians are free to make up their own musical parts on the spot, seeing as they know the music by heart and love coming up with new ways of playing it. For our final activity of this Roots of New Orleans music video series, let's conclude with a call and response that invites you to respond on your homemade instruments in any way you like, just like improvising jazz musicians do. Peter will call out to us on his drum kit, and then we can respond however we like. Hey, I need an instrument. Where did that bucket go?
Get the bucket.
Oh, we found it, y'all.
Get the bucket.
Here's the bucket. Okay, we're gonna do a call and response. Peter is gonna lead the way, and let's improvise, okay? We'll wait for Mr. Peter. Here we go. You got this.